Newly offered for sale at O'Donnell Lots, 2015 Honda Pilot EXL. As you can see, it comes in the taffeta white with dove gray leather interior. 53,000 miles. Does show a minor accident and backed into a parked car, which is pretty negligent for the year of the vehicle. The vehicle is in phenomenal shape, only 53,000 miles. Still has a little bit of the factory powertrain warranty through Honda. The EXL is going to come with a power sunroof, leather, satellite radio, rear backup camera, heated front seats.
Z88.3.
It's going to be a third row SUV also. Power tailgate. Tires are in phenomenal condition. This car is just serviced, fresh oil change, ready to go. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, or you can always email us. Area code 321-956-2250 or www.o'donnell, O-D-O-N-N-E-L-L, third L, U-T-Z, @yahoo.com. Thank you. Have a great day.